last theorem on radius of curvature in pedal form. Find the radius of curvature in a pedal form. So it is 2 marks. So pedal equation in the form of f of r comma p. So coordinate points r and p. So let down given curve r is equal to f of p or p is equal to f of r. Usually equation number को y is equal to f of x or x is equal to f of y or same conditions, right? Proof is so simple. Again, angle between radius vector and tangent. So this is pi, this is theta, this is r. So it is a t, o, it is a p. So it is a pi, xi. Xi is an angle made by this. So it is sum of these two angles, theta plus pi. Same proof. Differentiate pi with respect to s on both sides, d xi of ds. So d theta by ds plus d pi of ds. So d xi of ds is radius of curvature, means it is 1 by rho reverse. So it is a d theta by ds keep as it is plus I can balancing previous class polar form daga multiply and dividing d theta ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ multiply and dividing r ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಯಾಕೆ r ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ it is the relation between p, r p and r ಒಳಗೆ ಐತಿ ಪೆಡಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅದು ಡಿವೈಡ್ multiply and dividing dr ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ ನಾನು previous polar form ದ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಾಗ multiply and dividing d theta ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿ ಯಾಕೆ d theta ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಾ so it is polar form r is equal to f of theta form ದಾಗ ಐತಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ multiply and dividing function theta ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ function so it is r ಐತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ p is equal to f of r it is polar form sorry pedal form so ಅದಕ್ಕೆ multiply dividing dr ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ತಿಳಿತಾ multiply dividing dr ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ pedal form ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ multiply dividing d theta ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ polar form ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ it is important step right so now using this so 1 by rho so there is no common so keep as it is r. So draw this diagram, right? You must find d theta by ds and dr by ds, right? So keep as it is pi, so it is dr, r into d theta, so it is arc length of the curve, it is ds. You can define sin pi. This is angle, opposite side it is adjacent side it is hypotenuse. So sin theta is equal to O by H. O is R into d theta by ds, right? So it is sin of pi is equal to R into d theta by ds. And again we have to d theta by ds equal. So it is sin pi divided by R. Similarly, cos of pi, A by H. dr by ds. dr by ds value is this, right? Putting this value and this value in this equation, we get 1 by rho is equal to, so it is sin of pi divided by r plus d pi of ds into dr by, cos pi. So now simplify is very important. Simplification is very important. 1 by rho. So taking LCM r on both sides, so taking common r, 1 by r common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಇದು sin pi ಇರುತ್ತೆ. common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ multiply r ಇರುತ್ತೆ r into cos pi into d pi of dr ds. Isn't it? d pi of dr. Right? This is dr. So that's why it is dr. So now observe this. It is a differentiation of u and v. So I can write d by dr into r and sin p sin pi. If you apply u into v, so first function as it is r, differentiation of sin is cos. So into pi is d by dr plus second function sin pi as it is with respect to r is it is 1. So exactly in the form of u into v form. So 1 by r into sin pi value. Unit 1, it is p dt by dr because of p is equal to r sin pi. Unit 1 there. So it is 1 by rho reverse nothing because of radius of curvature r into dr by dt. This is the formula for radius of curvature, hence the proof.